The Webb rifle sling was adopted by the British in 1901 and used with the SMLE rifles. It is a single-piece sling made of cotton web, fitted with a brass catch or hook on either end, and is fully adjustable. The sling is attached to the rifle by passing the ends through the swivels from the outside, then fastening them onto the body of the sling by means of the brass attachments. Attachment to the front swivel is the same as the rear. The sling is now attached to the rifle. Adjustment of the sling is accomplished by moving the attachment along the sling. The Webb sling was the primary sling issued with the rifle for its entire service life, and was primarily intended as a carry sling. Thanks for watching. If you found this video interesting or helpful, go ahead and give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. Then let us know what you thought or like to see with a comment. If you would like to support the channel, you can become a member on Patreon or YouTube, or a subscriber on Player. Links to these are in the description below. For more information on this firearm and others, head on over to historyandfirearms.com.